Most resumes are read by software before any human sees them, applicant tracking systems, or ATS. If your file doesn't parse, you can get auto-rejected no matter how good you are. Here's how to build an ATS-safe resume on your iPhone with an app called CV Desk. Here is the plan 1. Start from a ready-made resume. 2. Pick an ATS-safe template. 3. Check your ATS score. 4. Export PDF or Word. No watermark. Start from a ready-made resume or a blank page. Pick a polished, strong example that matches your role and edit it with your own details. It takes minutes, not hours. Choose a template. 12 layouts and 16 color schemes give you over 190 combinations, and every one of them is ATS-safe by design, so a pretty layout never costs you the parse. Now the key step. Check your ATS score. CV Desk parses your resume the way hiring software does and shows a score from 0 to 100, with tappable fixes for contact details, your professional summary and work experience. Work through the fixes until the score is solid. Finally, export. You get a polished PDF, or an editable Word file, with no watermark. What you see in the preview is exactly what recruiters get. CV Desk works entirely on your iPhone. No account, no upload. One purchase unlocks everything. No subscription. Search CV Desk on the App Store.